Sport and radionics. How to use both to improve. The relationship between the practice of physical activity and the maintenance or improvement of health is becoming increasingly clear. On the other hand, it is also evident that, in the modern world, people exercise less and less on average. Overweight and obesity have never been more common both in the West and even in developing countries. The ideal would be to practice sports 3 times a week, but not everyone reaches that level. As an alternative, walking a reasonable distance can be a form of exercise that allows the body to maintain itself properly. What is that reasonable distance? Although there are many opinions about it, a recent study carried out in the United States on a group of more than 2,000 middle-aged people, from 2005 to 2018, showed interesting data. Apparently, reaching 7,000 steps per day, between 4 and 5 kilometers depending on the length of the stride, implies between 50 and 70% less risk of premature death. The intensity of the steps does not seem to have a direct relationship with mortality. Increasing the steps can be positive, but only up to a certain point where there is no difference, more than 10,000 steps on average. This means that, for the laziest, reaching 7,000 steps is a manageable threshold, and for the most active, the average of 10,000, between 6 and 7 kilometers, is also an attainable goal. Many people choose to do a combination of sports or go to the gym between 1 and 3 times a week and walk the other days. Actually, any option, adapted to your circumstances, is better than inactivity. Using radionics, you can program yourself to exercise more regularly, reach an athletic goal, or improve your performance. Also, so that organic functioning is adequate during practice. For example, many users of radionic equipment such as the RX3 Pro use the device's software, cardiovascular system program, when they go running, perceiving greater safety during exercise. It is possible to adapt the pulsation of orgone energy for sports, see manual. Don't forget that you can also program better muscle recovery with the same software. Experience the difference between sports practice with and without radionics. You will surely find important differences. If you want to know more about radionics, subscribe to this channel or visit our website, www.radionicinternational.com, and download our book on radionics for free. We are waiting for you.